Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Anker Soundcore Flare Mini. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Really nice retail box. We can learn all about the speaker right from the packaging, like the fact that we can fully submerge it in water. It's IPX7 rated, so we can actually submerge it for up to 30 minutes in water with no issues. It's got 360-degree sound, a beat-driven light show, fully waterproof like we mentioned, up to 12 hours of battery life, and it supports wireless stereo pairing, so we could actually pair this with another speaker if we wanted to get an even greater and fuller sound experience. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your customer support card. Then we have your legal disclaimers and safety information, followed by your quick start guide. So really nice quick start guide, walking you through step by step how to set up everything with this speaker, and they even go over the controls for you. Next, you can see we have your USB Type A to micro USB charging cable, followed by the speaker itself right here. Check it out, guys. Nice controls right at the top for you. Everything looks great. Love the rubbery feel it has. Then we have your fabric sides right here. Check that out. Soundcore logo on it. We can see where it says Flare Mini. We can actually pull that up to reveal our micro USB power and charging port right there. Make sure if you're going to submerge this in water, if it's going to get wet, that you keep that port covered, or else it's going to ruin your speaker. Then you can see on the bottom, guys, we have your built-in light right there. Can't wait to try that out for you guys here in the studio in a second. Now let's go ahead and let's get everything set up. Get familiar with the controls during the setup process. You have the power button to turn it on or off. Then you have your Soundcore button to play or pause. You can double tap that button to go to the next song, or you can triple tap it to go to the previous song. Then you can select your plus or minus buttons to adjust the volume. Now let's connect it to our Bluetooth device. So make sure you have Bluetooth turned on. Let's go ahead, let's power on the speaker. Love their sound effects right there. Now we can see we got a Bluetooth button as well. So push the Bluetooth button. There we go. Now let's pull up Bluetooth on our mobile device. Let's pair a new device. It'll search for it. Hopefully it'll find it nearby. There it is, the Soundcore Flare Mini right there. Select that. Now we got to give it some additional permissions right there. Go ahead, select pair. And there we go, guys. It's all set up and ready to go. So let's go ahead. Let's play some music really quick. So let's try it out. We got a song right here. And let's crank it up at max volume. So everything sounds really good, guys. That bass is incredible. It's super loud for being so tiny. We got that 360-degree sound, so I was trying to move it around the room for you guys. Now let's go ahead, let's cut off all the studio lights and try out the built-in light. We got all the lights off right now, so let's go ahead, let's turn on the first light mode right there. We have 5 light modes. Check that out. Look at how cool that looks. That's mode 1. Mode 2 is what I'm calling music mode, so it will light up and change depending on the song that we have playing. Here's mode 3 right there. Check that out too. Look at how cool that is, guys. It's such a cool light. I wish the whole thing was a light, honestly, because it's so cool. Here's mode 4. Lots of different lights right there. And then here's mode 5. Check that one out. Really cool glow. Love that we have lights at the top too for all the buttons, so you can see what's going on. So we got our Bluetooth button, our power button, and our light mode right there, so we can see this in the dark for easy adjustments. Then it goes back to power off, and then we're back to the first mode. So let's try out the second mode and see how it does with the music. So those lights are sweet. Now we're ready to conduct our decibel test using the same song we've been listening to, which is called Species. It's a free YouTube audio library song, so you can go ahead, download it, and try it out yourself. If you don't have a decibel meter, you can download a free app on your mobile device that will be good enough. So let me know if you tried this test. You got to be using the same song. Have your phone set to max volume and let me know the max decibel that you get. So let's go ahead, let's do that test right now. There it is, guys. Check it out. Super impressive. 122.9 decibels was our max throughout that whole song. Let me know if you tried this in that comment section below, what speaker you used. Make sure you're using the same song and that you have your volume set to maximum, and then let me know what your decibel meter picked up. Now let's go on to our last test, which is the waterproof test. Now you can see I got a bowl of water right here. We're gonna submerge this speaker directly in while we're playing music to see how it holds up with that IPX7 waterproof rating. So when a product's rated IPX7, that means it can be submerged for up to 30 minutes in 1 meter of water. So that's around 3 feet of water. So let's go ahead, let's play some music and let's soak it. Look at how cool that looks in the water. There we go, we just kind of set it in there too. We got the light on as well. Upside down in there. It floats too, which is cool. So everything works great in the water. There we go, we have the whole thing underwater right now. That bass is super strong and powerful. Check that out. Look at how cool that looks in the water. So another nice feature too, guys, since it has physical buttons, even when it's wet at the top, we can actually push the buttons and still control the speaker. So check that out, guys. That's fantastic. Everything still works great. Obviously, when you take it out of the water, be sure to go ahead and dry it off as soon as possible. But yeah, guys, works great. Floats in water, so you could use it in the pool or something like that for a couple of minutes. But again, you got that 30-minute, 1 meter limitation for it. But everything sounds great. The light still works. No issues at all whatsoever being dunked in water. And now you can see everything's dry except the side is fabric, so that still is damp to the touch. But everything's still in great working condition and order. I think this is an awesome speaker, guys. Love the built-in light. That is by far my favorite feature. I think that's really, really cool. I wish they gave us maybe a threaded mount option as well. I just reviewed another speaker on my channel that has a threaded mount at the bottom. I thought that was a really cool feature just to include in case you ever wanted to mount it somewhere. I'd also like to see maybe some more USB ports, so this could actually power or charge another device, or maybe even wireless charging. But overall, a really cool portable Bluetooth speaker. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.